മലയാള വിസ്മയം.
മലയാള വിസ്മയം. ഇത് മറുനാടിൻ്റെ മലർവാടി.
ഹായ്,
Hello,
നിങ്ങളെ ഒന്ന് പരിചയപ്പെടുത്തിക്കൊള്ളൂ.
my name is Nayan Sarika and I'm here today for my Rishabha song launch. In that there's a love song, really beautiful one, and I'm here for that. And this is my first event in Bangalore, so hopefully next time I'll learn more Kannada and I'll be back.
ആദ്യത്തെ പടം ഏതായിരുന്നു?
मेरा पहला मूवी तेलुगु में किया था. In Telugu, I have worked. 2 movies have been a very massive hit. This hopefully will be the third one, so I'll add another feather into my cap.
ആദ്യ പടത്തിന്റെ വിശേഷങ്ങൾ എന്തായിരുന്നു?
पहला मूवी मैंने गीता आर्ट्स के साथ ही किया था. गीता आर्ट्स are one of the distributors for Rishabha, and that is a coincidence. And मेरा पहला मूवी मुझे आया था when I was working for another web series, and it was a very village-based character. It's called I, Mem Friends Andi. It's a Telugu movie, and yeah, it was quite a journey.
വെബ് സീരീസിന്റെ പേര്?
Web series का नाम Bench Life.
വെബ് സീരീസും ഒരു സിനിമയ്ക്ക് ശേഷം കിട്ടിയ പ്രോജക്റ്റ് ആണോ ഇത്?
Movie और एक और movie है called Ka. Ka was a very big hit in Telugu, and I think many other places.
ഹായ് സമർജിത്ത്, സൂപ്പർ സ്റ്റാർ മോഹൻലാലിന്റെ കൂടെ ഇത്രയും പ്രാധാന്യമുള്ള ഒരു ക്യാരക്ടർ ലഭിച്ചതിൽ എത്ര സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്?
I feel very happy to have got this opportunity. I want to thank the director Nanda Kishore sir. I want to thank Lal sir for his blessings as well, and I hope everybody likes this film. I feel very lucky.
വേറെ പുതിയ പ്രോജക്റ്റ് നടക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ?
I am right now in Rishabha, so I will focus on all Rishabha promotion. I will tell in the future about any future films I'll be doing.
താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Nayan Sarika, and you're watching me on Malayala Vismayam. Do watch and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.
We are newbies, and working with such legendary actor Mohanlal sir is so early on in anyone's career is a very big thing for anyone. So, and this is my Malayalam launch. It's a really special film to me. I would like to thank all the producers and investors. And coming to the film, it's a power-packed film filled with love, and not just romantic kind of love. It's like family love and bonds and every kind of love that you will see. So that, and there's a lot of action, there's a lot of heartbreak, patch-ups, everything that you could ever think of, every emotion you can find in Rishabha. And this is such a massive film that we would love to, experience only in theaters. So please do go on 25th December and watch our film. And coming to the experience with Mohanlal sir, it's been great. As Samarjit said here, that he was very warm to us, very welcoming, and we never felt that he is, obviously the first time you see him, it's like, oh my god, it's Mohanlal sir, the legend himself. But then as we worked with him, as days went by and we got really comfortable, he made sure that, like everyone around him feels like home. So that's something really special about him. He's really sweet, really humble, and the artist that he is just amazing, because what can't he do? He can act, he can dance, he can sing, he's a magician, he's a lot of things that he is, and it's just an inspiration. He is an inspiration for us youngsters, and he has helped us a lot throughout the film, because me and Samarjit faced a lot of difficulty with the language because we were shooting in Malayalam. So he sat and he sat with us, he explained the dialogues, he made us understand, and then he even like simplified, he himself wrote it down for us and he gave it. So it's like, we don't expect this from big celebrities to, sit with us newcomers and, help us out. So that was really something special and really a core memory for me from Rishabha. And it's just been really amazing journey, and I hope you guys will love our journey through the film. So thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Samarjit Lankesh. All the best to Malayala Vismaya.
ഹായ്, ഞാൻ ജെ പി തുമിനാടാണ്. മലയാള വിസ്മയം കാണൂ, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യൂ.
ഹായ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളുടെ പ്രകാശ് തുമിനാടാണ്. നിങ്ങൾ കാണുന്നുണ്ട് മലയാളം വിസ്മയ ചാനൽ. എല്ലാവരും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യൂ.
ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളുടെ രവിയണ്ണ ഷനിൽ ഗൗതം. മലയാളം വിസ്മയ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യൂ. താങ്ക് യു.
നമസ്കാരം, ഇതാണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ രവി അണ്ണൻ. പിന്നെ ഞാനാണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഗുരുജി രാജ് ബി ഷെട്ടി. മലയാള വിസ്മയം യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിക്ക്
സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യൂ.
താങ്ക് യു.
മലയാള വിസ്മയം.
മലയാള വിസ്മയം. ഇത് മറുനാടിൻ്റെ മലർവാടി.